Okay, so this is the question that I'm going to be answering right now. As you can see, we have 105 kPa acting downwards on the stress block and a 28 acting in the vertical, and we have a counterclockwise shear, so it's a positive shear in the horizontal plane and a negative in the vertical plane. So now I'll go to AutoCAD. I'll start by setting up my axes. Okay. So the first one we have is I'm going to switch to my calculations layer, and we're going to go to the 28, the one on the vertical plane. And so it's a stress of 28 and downwards of negative 30. There's the vertical plane, and now we're going to do the horizontal plane, and that's at a normal stress of 105 and a positive shear of 30 kPa. Okay, so now I'm going to connect those 2 points and then draw the Mohr circle. So the first question is to find the principal stress, I believe, the maximum principal stress. Okay, so that's, oh wait, hold on. This might have messed up just a little bit. So this is 105. And then it's upwards of 30. Okay. Okay, so the first question is to find the principal stress. And I'm going to go to my points layer, make a point, this point right here, for the maximum or the major principal stress, sigma 1. And so that point is 115.3874 kPa. And then now the minor. And this point is, damn, I messed up on that one too. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart this. For some reason, my lines aren't going parallel with the axis. So I'm gonna start it over again. So it's at an angle of 0 and 28. This is down to negative 30. Okay. And this is 105. This is 30. Okay, now I think we got it. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, so now we go back to points. Okay, so this point is 115.308. Change just a little bit from the first. And then that's the major principal stress. And now the minor is 17.6917. And now to find the max, I'm going to draw a line that is perpendicular to the center. And then make a point. This point right here, and that point is, so the maximum shear is 66.5. Okay, now the last question is the angle between the horizontal plane and the plane containing the maximum principal stress. Okay, so to do that, so this point right here is the 105 and 30, and that's acting on the horizontal plane. So I'm going to draw a line that's horizontal from that point. And then draw a line from this vertical point, a vertical line. And that intersection is the center of planes right there. So now I'm going to draw a line from that point to the major principal stress and figure out the angle between them. The horizontal plane. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. Put the text height a little bigger so it's easier for me to see. So right now it's at 19 degrees, but see, I'm going to change my precision. Okay, let me see what the question asks. So it's 2 decimals. So that's going to be 18.96 degrees. And that's a positive angle because it, or wait, no, that's a negative angle because it's clockwise from the horizontal. Okay. So now I'm going to go and pick the best answer that I think. So I have the sigma 1 is 115.31, the sigma 3 is 17.69, the maximum shear, let me double check the maximum shear. Oh, and the y, okay, so I got that wrong first. So the maximum shear is 48.81 kPa. So now let's go back, see if, okay, so I have sigma 1 is 115.31, sigma 3 is 17.69, maximum shear is 48.81, and the angle is negative 18.96. Okay. And there we go. Thank you.